Rolling.
Hi, I'm Stormy Weathers reporting live from WTF TV here at the center of, actually we're not at the center, we're on the west side of Providence. Let me get that right, the west side of Providence. And as you can see, we're experiencing very high winds. Very, very high winds. It's very windy. Oh, sir. Get back, I've got cheese with. What's going on? Your tape is coming up.
Survival situation. I'm just trying to get some food. There's food everywhere. I mean, your food.
Sir, what happened in your house?
Well, the electricity went off, and I was discouraged. So I just decided to start punching some stuff. And there was a cat that just ran across the street, but he got away after he was like, "Hey, we need to talk to you." So basically, that's it.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Thank you so much.
Have you seen any other?
Pantera is awesome.
I just want to know what the fuck happened.
I don't know. There was winds and shit was bad. I mean, it's still bad. Pantera.
And yes, thank you, sir. Okay. And so evidently things have gone quite awry here. This storm is apocalyptic. What's that word? Of apocalyptic proportions. This storm is of apocalyptic proportions. People are running in the streets with wee-wee pads strapped to them, and there he goes again. And we're just about out of time. What? We are just about out of time, so I'd like to mention our sponsor before you go. Could you get a shot at this segment of the news? Gold emblem, moisturizing cheddar cheese. Moisturizing cheddar cheese. Moisturizing. Would you like to try some?
Yeah.
Yes. He was right. It is moisturizing.
There you have it. Moisturizing. Because if you're not moist in this weather, there is something wrong. I'm Stormy Weathers, over and out.